Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Icha Nurharyati. I'm from class 4D, and today I would like to present an article entitled "The Impact of ChatGPT Feedback on the Development of EFL Students' Writing Skills." To begin, let me explain the background of this article or this study. Nowadays, technology has changed the way students learn language. This study focuses on Generation Z students in the era of Education 4.0 and Education 5.0, where AI is becoming part of the learning process. One example is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that gives quick and personalized feedback. Previous study also saw that ChatGPT can help students improve grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, and writing. However, there are still only a few studies that specifically discuss how ChatGPT feedback affects EFL students' writing skill. So therefore, this study aims to investigate whether students' writing skill improve after receiving feedback from ChatGPT and whether they could revise their writing based on that feedback. So, based on that background, the study focused on one main research question. Can students improve their writing skill through the utilization of ChatGPT feedback? So, to answer this question, the authors also propose a hypothesis. They expect that students' writing skill would improve after receiving feedback from ChatGPT. So, to test this hypothesis, the authors conducted the following study. The study used a mixed method approach with a quasi-experimental design. The participants were 110 university students learning English as a foreign language, aged between 19 and 23 years old. And to collect the data, the author used three instruments. It's a questionnaire, ChatGPT, and focus group interviews. These instruments help the author examine both students' writing improvement and their experience while using ChatGPT. So after deciding on the research design and participants, the authors carry out the study in 3 sessions. In the first sessions, students complete a questionnaire, read a selected text, wrote a summary, and then receive feedback from ChatGPT. And in the second sessions, they revise their summaries based on the feedback. After that, ChatGPT evaluate the revised version to see the improvement. And finally, in the third session, the authors conducted focus group interviews to collect students' opinions and experience while using ChatGPT. So before discussing the results, the authors first explore student perceptions before they use ChatGPT. This slide shows student perceptions before using ChatGPT. Before using ChatGPT, most students believe that their strengths were creativity, vocabulary, and conscience. However, they also mention some weakness, especially grammar, vocabulary use, word order, and text structure. They expect ChatGPT to help them improve grammar, enrich their vocabulary, and generate new ideas for writing. These responses show that students already understood which part of their writing need improvement. After collecting these initial perceptions, the authors then analyze whether student writing actually improved. The results show that students made improvements in several aspects of writing. The improvements were found in grammar, conciseness, inclusion of key information, passive voice, linking words, and reporting verbs. So overall, ChatGPT feedback contribute to improvement in students' writing skill and support the research hypothesis. Besides looking at the writing scores, the authors also explore how students felt about using ChatGPT. The author explored students' experience through focus group interviews. So, overall, most students give positive responses. Specifically, 78 students said that ChatGPT provide detailed feedback, help them understand their mistake more clearly, and was helpful for revising their writing. These responses suggest that students consider ChatGPT a useful tool to support their writing process. Based on both the quantitative and qualitative findings, the authors discuss the implication of this result. The findings show that ChatGPT helped students improve their writing skill. Its feedback was quick and personalized, making it easier for students to identify and correct their mistakes. The author also pointed out that ChatGPT can support teachers in assessing students' writing. However, ChatGPT should be used as a supplementary tool rather than a replacement for teachers, like any study. This research also had some limitations. It involved students from only one university, so the findings may not represent all EFL students. In addition, the interview results were based on students' own opinions and experience. So finally, based on all of these findings, the authors present their conclusion. So to conclude, this study showed that ChatGPT contribute the improvement of EFL students' writing skills, especially in grammar, conciseness, inclusion of key information, and passive voice. Most students also had positive views of ChatGPT because its feedback helped them identify mistakes and improve their writing. However, ChatGPT should be used with teacher guidance to reduce the risk of plagiarism and over reliance on AI tools. So overall, the findings suggest that ChatGPT has strong potential to support EFL writing instruction when combined with teacher guidance. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.